Where should you look for the next best investment? The answer is very close. Look inside your wallet or purse. Chances are you'll have a card with the Visa insignia printed upon the plastic. People use their credit debit cards no matter the economic climate, and payment processing companies like Visa will collect on the transactions. This video shows you why Visa is a split-second decision and a forever buy, and your money will grow like bunny rabbits. Visa makes money via payment processing. They offer debit, credit, and prepaid cards. Because they do not make loans, they are not heavily subjected to credit crunches and debt cycles like banking institutions are. Companies like Visa, MasterCard, and FISERV are very resilient in the financial marketplace. Many don't know that Visa was created by Bank of America as Bank AmeriCard. It has grown from a banking credit card to one of the largest financial data centers on Earth. Its 4 centers in Virginia, Colorado, London, and Singapore process over 30,000 transactions every second, or 2.6 billion transactions daily. To put large numbers like these into perspective, a pair of rabbits can produce over 50 bunnies a year. If this generational cycle continues, by the end of the second year, you'd have 2,500 bunnies. But by the end of the 6th year, you'd have 15.625 billion bunnies. That is enough to give every person on Earth 2 bunnies. The more you know. Currently looking at my Visa holdings in the portfolio, shares are 25 with a market value of $5,000. Average cost about $157 per share. Today's return $75, not too bad, and total return over $1,000. We see with the 35 analyst rating, 86% show a buy rating, and I agree with them due to Visa's scalability and consistent payment processing improvements. On the day, up 1.54%, up 2% this past week. 1% total for the last month, and the last 3 months, a staggering 24%, so not too bad. I received my last dividend, if we can find it here, yes, at $7.50 on June 2nd, which I think is pretty substantial. That would put my yearly dividend returned around $30, so you're essentially getting paid $30 a year to hold the stock, and that's not bad at all. Visa started publicly trading in 2008 at $44 a share in its IPO. Currently, it is trading around $195 to $200 a share. In growth percentage, that's over 330% since its initial offering. Taken at a per-year basis, that would get you a yearly return of over 27.5% on your stock. If you had put $100 in its IPO, you'd currently have $1,575. At nearly 1,800% return, that's pretty crazy. Over the last decade, Visa has significantly outperformed the S&P 500 by a factor of 4. Alright, and now the forecast. Visa is not only working on improving frictionless payment processing, but it is also working on digital assets with emphasis on blockchain technology. Visa is projected to have a median price point of $205 a share and a high above $235 a share over the next 12 months. The overall consensus across multiple financial news reports is a buy rating. And if you want to project farther into the future, rough estimates have Visa at over $1,000 a share by June 2025. I'd recommend investing now because by the time you hear about a future cryptocurrency development in the fintech industry, you're going to be too late. I encourage you to do your own research before investing. There are precious carats of information available on the internet. Remember, nothing exists in a vacuum except for dust bunnies. Thanks for watching.